Hello. Welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you for being here. This is my yoga YouTube channel. I lead a lot of yoga classes and share some behind the scenes fun stuff in shorts. I am so happy you're here. This all levels class, no props required flow will begin in a child's pose. Walk the hands out and away from you, soften down. Use a few rounds of breath to bring yourself to the present moment. For your time here, try not to think about the past or what you want to do later. Do your best to stay in this breath, this sensation. Officially arrive. Walk the hands in, just enough to thread the right arm underneath the left. Palm is up. We're going to keep the forehead down. Stretch across the shoulder. And switch so that the right ear is down. Left hand on top. Let's try to press the left elbow straight. Might not happen. Twisting the middle upper back. Release. Press into the left hand to lift up. Switch sides, right arm forward. Left arm underneath. Switch so that the ear is down. Middle upper back twist. Gosh, these feel different. I think it's because I've been using little dumbbells recently for upper body strength. And release. Press up to a tabletop. And find some organic movement. That could be circles, that could be rolling out one wrist at a time. I like to do this. You stretch through the bottoms of the feet, the weight kind of circles within each hand, and then you go both directions. You can practice pressing down the palms one at a time. Just get it all. All right, tabletop. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Reach the right leg back and up. Knee faces down. Draw in the core. Lift out of the shoulders. Bend the right knee and draw some circles. Out, down, and around. Right, tabletop. Left leg lifts, back and up. So I'm readjusting the weight between the hands because I noticed I was kind of sinking down. Stay lifted. Now bend the left knee, 90 degrees, circles. Back to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale. Exhale. Neutral. Sit back. Bring the feet out and around in front of you. Soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold the outside edges of the feet. Sit up tall, lengthen. Fold forward. Over butterfly legs. Over. Stay present. Sit up. Reverse tabletop. Hands behind you, press and lift. Sit down. Extend just the right leg out in front of you. Bring the sole of the left foot to the inside of the right thigh. Inhale, arms lift up and fold over the right leg. You do not have to have a straight right leg right now. Sit up. We're going to keep the legs almost as they are now. Turn to face the long edge of the mat, or just open it out, kind of like left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. And sit up, right foot in, left foot out. We're still with the kind of straddle setup. Take a moment. Right arm up and over. And sit up. Let's face the left leg, so we're facing toward the back of the mat. So we can, again, reach up, so much reaching. It's kind of one of the things I think about a lot with yoga, is lengthening. And fold out over the left leg. And sit up. Straddle toward the long edge of the mat. And fold forward. Knees keep facing the ceiling. Lift up. Bring the left foot all the way toward the top of the mat. Cross the feet at the ankles. Come to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Lift the knees. Downward facing dog. You can move. You can also find stillness. Breathe. Lift onto the toes, tuck the chin, ripple through, upward dog. You can keep the knees soft. We haven't done that much upper body opening yet. Take your time in our upward dog. Downward facing. Stand on the left foot. Right, foot lifts back up. Squeeze the legs strong. Downward dog. Switch sides. Downward facing. Lift onto the toes, tuck the chin, upward dog. This time, lower the knees, untuck the toes. We're going to dip onto the left hip, look over the right shoulder for the back right corner of the mat. Switch sides. Come back to center, open up, and press back child's pose. Option to prop up onto the elbows, touch each shoulder. Remember being here just a little bit ago, and here we are again. Having shifted our energy, our breath, improving our clarity of thought. Circulation has improved. Did you just hear my stomach growl? And walk the hands in. Let's just sit any way that's comfortable. Roll the shoulders back and down. Relax the temples. Smooth out anything that you can now access after a little bit of movement with breath. On an inhale, lift the arms overhead. Exhale, float them down, twist to the right. Inhale through center, lift up. And twist to the left. Come back through center. Closing breath. Arms reach wide and overhead. Long exhale. Hands lower down. Close the eyes for a moment. Soften the temples. You have everything you need right now. I am so grateful for your presence. Be grateful for your presence. Whenever you're ready, blink the eyes open. I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. It's a beautiful foggy morning here in South Florida. I'm up a little bit early. Let's see. We did like 50 calories. That's exciting. And have you added me on Instagram yet? I think some of you have. Because that's a great place for me to connect. And yeah. You guys excited for the holidays? Yeah, maybe. I think right now there should be a starry circle on the screen, and that is my Calm Human Life channel, where you are welcome to enjoy thunderstorm videos or just sounds. There's some meditation stuff on there, but I would recommend the thunderstorm sounds. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please tell someone else besides me. Include me, though. And thumbnail. All right. That's all I got. If you're still here, you're my best friend. Namaste.